The U.S. consumer news and business channel, CNBC, broadcast a video interview with Cambodian Deputy Prime Minister Sun Chanto on November 27, 2023. Sun Chanto said that co-building the Belt and Road Initiative with China has helped rather than hurt Cambodia's infrastructure construction. On November 7, 2023, China Road and Bridge Golden Port Expressway Company held a grand celebration for the first anniversary of the opening of the Golden Port Expressway at the Phnom Penh toll station, and released the Cambodia Golden Port Expressway Company Limited Environmental, Social and Governance Report, 2022-2023. So what role does China play in the construction of the Golden Hong Kong Expressway? Does the Belt and Road project hurt or help Cambodia? In this video, let us learn more about it. As the first expressway in Cambodia, the Golden Port Expressway connects Phnom Penh, the capital of Cambodia, and Sihanoukville Port, the country's largest deep-water seaport. It is a project invested by China Road and Bridge Engineering Company Limited, China Road and Bridge, based on the Build, Operate, Transfer model. Adopting Chinese design and quality standards, it spans 5 provinces, has a total length of 187.05 kilometers, and has 4 lanes in both directions. After the opening of the Golden Port Expressway, the drive from Phnom Penh to Sihanoukville Port will be shortened from more than 5 hours to less than 2 hours. This expressway is of great significance for optimizing the structure of Cambodia's road network, developing natural and tourism resources along the route, promoting regional economic development, and improving the investment environment. According to data from Golden Port Expressway Company Limited, since its opening 1 year ago, the cumulative traffic volume of Golden Port Expressway has exceeded 5.19 million vehicles, with an average of 13,000 vehicle trips per day, and an average of approximately 17,000 vehicle trips per day during weekends and holidays. The construction and operation phases will provide tens of thousands of local jobs. At the celebration of the first anniversary of the opening of the Golden Port Expressway in Cambodia, Cambodian Deputy Prime Minister Sun Chanto said that the Golden Port Expressway has been operating safely and steadily for a year and has served Cambodian people for more than 5 million trips. Its safe and convenient features have completely changed the way people travel, significantly improved the traffic capacity of the regional highway network, and effectively promoted Cambodia's social and economic development. Officials from the Cambodian Ministry of Public Works and Transport said that the expressway facilitates the travel of local people and cargo transportation, providing passengers with a time-saving, convenient and safe way to travel. This highway is a key strategic route that connects Phnom Penh and Sihanoukville, bringing huge benefits to Cambodia's socio-economic and tourism development. In the construction of Jingang Expressway, China-Cambodia cooperation is reflected in every aspect. It is understood that the Jingang Expressway is constructed and operated by China Road and Bridge Engineering Company Limited, hereinafter referred to as China Road and Bridge, but the construction process is full of localization details. According to reports, the Golden Port project promotes the local procurement of construction materials and equipment, with the annual purchase amount reaching tens of millions of dollars, and the related supply chain formed covering many local enterprises. In addition to procuring construction materials locally, China Road and Bridge, as the contractor, also attaches great importance to the training of local employees in the process of achieving localization. At the peak of project construction, the project employed more than 5,000 local employees, and currently foreign employees account for more than 80% of the total number of employees. After it is put into operation, the Golden Port Expressway will be equipped with monitoring centers, ticket and card centers, toll stations, service areas, parking areas, road clearance teams, maintenance work areas, and other grassroots units along the entire line. These positions are basically dominated by localized employees. There are currently more than 600 Cambodian personnel on the job, and it is believed that it will create more than 10,000 job opportunities in related industries in the future. Increasing local sourcing and employment is only one part of the equation. The construction of the Golden Port Expressway project will leave Chinese technology, Chinese highway service management concepts, and China's methods of cultivating highway talents in Cambodia, benefiting the local area in the long term. In addition, the construction of Jinggang Expressway also paid great attention to environmental protection. China's advanced energy conservation and environmental protection concepts have been introduced, and the installation of induced draft dust removal equipment in all supply quarries has been vigorously promoted. It makes the produced sand and gravel materials cleaner, improves the adhesion of the sand and gravel materials, ensures the quality of the asphalt pavement mixture, and reduces dust emissions. This approach has also changed the original concept of the local construction industry to a certain extent. It is worth mentioning that the geographical location of the Jinggang Expressway has important strategic significance for local economic development. The Golden Port Expressway connects Phnom Penh, the capital of Cambodia, and Sihanoukville Port, the country's largest deep-water seaport, spanning 5 provinces and cities and covering a quarter of Cambodia's population along the route. Seaman Nile, president of the Cambodia-China Relations Development Society, once told the media that in the Cambodian government's planning, Sihanoukville's status is similar to that of Shenzhen, which is both a special economic zone and a tourist attraction. The cost reduction and efficiency increase role played by the Golden Port Expressway will be obvious. First, the commuting time between Phnom Penh and Sihanoukville will be reduced by half, and the number of goods transported per unit time will increase significantly. Secondly, the Jinggang Expressway is a two-way 4-lane, which has a larger driving space than the two-way 2-lane Highway 4. Ensuring smooth road conditions. Furthermore, the Jinggang Expressway is invested and constructed by China Road and Bridge in accordance with the Build Operate Transfer (BOT) model. Road maintenance can be professionally guaranteed, and there will be no situation in the past where the road surface was repeatedly damaged and the government had no time to repair it. There is no doubt that the opening of the Jinggang Expressway is of extremely important economic significance. Cambodia is in a critical period of economic and social recovery and development, and the country's government has also formulated a number of national strategies to seize the opportunities of the global industrial revolution 4.0. At this time, the completion of the Jinggang Expressway can be said to be just in time. In recent years, Cambodia's economic development layout has become more biased towards coastal provinces and cities. It is conceivable that the coastal economic belt with Sihanoukville as the core, the central economic belt with Phnom Penh as the core, and the tourism economic belt with Siem Reap as the core will become the 3 major centers of Cambodia's economic development. In the future, it will drive the continuous development of surrounding areas based on these cores, and will also become a new trend in Cambodia's economic development. The completion and opening of the Golden Port Expressway is a big step forward in infrastructure construction for Cambodia. For China and Cambodia, This project further demonstrates the deepening cooperation between China and Cambodia in high-quality joint construction of the Belt and Road Initiative. Cambodia is the earliest participant in the Belt and Road Initiative and one of the first countries to proactively align its long-term development plan, the Four Corners Strategy, with the joint construction of the Belt and Road Initiative. The two countries have achieved docking on many projects, such as the Siem Reap Angkor International Airport, a key project of China-Cambodia production capacity cooperation, the energy project San River 2 hydropower station, and Cambodia's first intercontinental submarine cable project. The strategic alignment between China and Cambodia has yielded fruitful results. According to Cambodian media reports, China has assisted Cambodia in building 29 roads with a total length of about 3,000 kilometers. A total of 3 roads are under construction with a total length of about 363 kilometers. 9 bridges with a total length of 8,565 meters have been completed. The Bays River Bridge is currently under construction. China and Cambodia have also achieved a series of results in electric power cooperation. The power projects built by China in Cambodia, such as the San River 2 hydropower station and the Dadoi hydropower station, have alleviated Cambodia's national electricity problem. Currently, Cambodia's electricity supply covers 98.5% of villages across the country. In terms of economic, trade and investment, the cooperation between China and Cambodia is becoming increasingly close. At present, China has become Cambodia's largest investor, major donor and increasingly important trading partner. In 2023, China and Cambodia will celebrate the 65th anniversary of the establishment of diplomatic relations and the China-Cambodia Friendship Year. China and Cambodia will promote the building of a closer China-Cambodia community with a shared future. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more great content. See you next time.